Our lesson today, carbon and its compound. As you see, carbon, it's a chemical formula CO2, so it consists of one carbon atom and the two oxygen atoms. Carbon is found in many of the items, so you will see the carbon in many different forms. Carbon bonds with itself in different ways and form diamond, coal, and graphite in your pencil. So diamond and coal and graphite, all these are carbon. Carbon bond with the many other elements and form compound. Because you know that the compound is a combination between different atoms or different elements. Many carbon compounds are organic. Organic means that it is produced from the living organism, the chemical building blocks of the living things. How we use carbon dioxide? When one carbon atom bond with the two oxygen atoms form carbon dioxide, CO2. So this is a chemical formula or the chemical symbol CO2. And you know that the chemical formula, just you know the type and the number of atoms in the chemical formula. So I know from CO2 that it contains one carbon atom and the two oxygen atoms. How we use carbon dioxide? You know before when one carbon atom bond with two oxygen atoms form carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon dioxide is clear, odorless gas. It is organic compound reduced from living organism. The plant absorbs it during photosynthesis process. The decaying of dead organism give off carbon dioxide. We expel carbon dioxide every time out. Frozen carbon dioxide is called dry ice, is used in keep object cold. It is gas that bubbles in carbonated beverage. Also, this shows a soft beverage contain carbon dioxide gas. And it's very important for the photosynthesis process because just it's combined with water in the presence of sunlight to produce glucose, sugar, and oxygen for respiration. Other carbon compounds. Here also again, when the carbon atom bond with the single oxygen atom, the product is carbon monoxide. So here just a single oxygen, one oxygen according to the Latin number, mono, di, tri, so it's a carbon monoxide, not dioxide. When it becomes CO2, it's a carbon dioxide. That is clear odorless gas can form when fuel doesn't burn completely, but when burned completely, it produces carbon dioxide. It is a poisonous and prevent blood from carrying oxygen to the rest of the body. So it is a very dangerous and lead to death. Carbon also bond with the hydrogen to form methane gas. So when it's combined with oxygen, it's a form carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. But when it's combined with hydrogen, it's form methane gas. And the chemical formula of the methane CH4, so it consists of one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. That is formed by the carbon atom bond with the four hydrogen atoms. It is used for heating homes, as you see it's the oven, or it is a waste product of the digestion also. It releases in marshes. Marshes mean swamp. It is used to make fertilizers and rubber tires. It can change into many compounds also, the methane gas. Types of organic compounds. The main important types of the organic compound is nucleic acid. It is a type of organic compound. They are made of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and hydrogen. They are found in cells' chromosomes. So you'll find the cell contain nucleus and the nucleus contain chromosomes. They store and transfer information on the building of protein. So it is very important to make or form the protein. Nucleic acid, lipids, protein, and carbohydrates are the chemical building blocks of all living things. Thank you and goodbye.